Hello, welcome to my channel. If you are new, I'd like you to subscribe to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you how to activate dark mode on your Instagram. I've been using dark mode recently and I'm loving it. So to do that, just head over to your profile icon at the left corner of your screen, below at the bottom of your screen. That is here. You see your profile here. That is at the bottom of your screen, the right hand corner of it. Then you click on this icon, the three lines of icon at the top right corner of your screen, which is this. Then you come down and click on settings, which is this. Then you come to themes. Once you tap theme, you will see light. You can see your WhatsApp is now on the light background. Then if you still want to change it back, just still follow the same process. Before I normally use this, but recently I'm beginning to like dark mode, and this dark mode helps you to reduce light reflection into your eye. So just click on the profile icon below at the bottom right of your screen. Then you click on the three lines icon at the top right of your screen. You click on settings, you come and look for themes, then you select dark mode, and here you go. So you have successfully changed your WhatsApp to dark mode. So I want to say thank you for watching this video, and this is how to activate dark mode on your WhatsApp. Feel free to comment, like and share this video. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube video. See you in our next tutorial.